Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing the Joystick app on your Android and the companion server on your PC. This is essential so they can talk. Once done, connect via USB for lower latency or Wi-Fi for convenience, and enable USB debugging on Android so the PC can see it. Make sure your PC firewall allows the server, otherwise connections fail. You do this now so the rest of the setup is fast and predictable. Let's move to pairing and mapping next. Once devices can see each other, open the server and note the IP and port if using Wi-Fi, then open the Android app and select the same connection method. Pair the phone with the PC and run the server diagnostics to test axes, hat switches, and buttons. This confirms signal and calibration. Next, map the physical or on-screen controls to the PC game inputs or X input profile. Adjust dead zones and sensitivity so movement feels natural. To finish, calibrate dead zones and sensitivity so sticks don't drift and aiming feels consistent. Generally prefer USB for the lowest lag and save mapping profiles for different games. Test in varied scenarios, driving, flying, and menus, then tweak input curves and vibration. If something goes wrong, first confirm USB debugging, matching app and server versions, and that your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking the server. Restarting the server and repairing often fixes lingering issues. Now, you should be ready to play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.